We believe the implementation of the speed school zone system will be a great tool to slow down drivers and bring awareness to the school zones. The cameras are located within the school zones of Epiphany Catholic, the Mandelstam School, South Miami Middle Community School, Ludlam Elementary School, and Somerset Academy Charter School. The cameras are installed within the school zone and detect the speed of vehicles traveling through the school zone with radar or laser speed detection equipment. When a vehicle is traveling more than 10 miles per hour through the school zone, a video clip and photos of the vehicle are obtained. Yes, there are signs prior to entering the school zone advising the drivers are entering a photo-enforced location. The cameras are in use 30 minutes prior to the start of the school, throughout the school day, and 30 minutes after the end of school. Speed enforcement is not monitored outside of school hours, or on holidays, or on the weekends. The registered owner of the vehicle will receive a $100 civil violation in the mail. The violation does not have points and will not affect the violator's insurance. Violations may be paid online, by phone, or by mail. Violators may also elect a hearing to dispute the violation, or they may fill out a sworn affidavit stating who the driver was if they were not the driver. If the violator takes no action, the violation is transferred to the county court. The City of South Miami will utilize the funds to increase public safety initiatives. A huge benefit to having the cameras in the school zones is that enforcement will be done every day school is in session. It will not depend on staff from South Miami Police Department.